Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel, and for today we will be featuring Kalanchoe tomentosa fuzzy wuzzy. So itong succulent na to has this brown na parang dots sa tips ng kanyang leaves, including yung kanyang leaf margins, and ang pinaka-distinct na feature nitong succulent na to are the silvery white hairs sa kanyang pinaka-leaves. And among all the different Kalanchoe tomentosa that we have, ito talaga yung may pinaka mahaba na parang hair sa kanyang pinaka leaves, and if you're gonna be touching it, medyo firm siya, although hindi naman siya nakakatusok or nakakasugat even if we will be touching it using our bare hands. Itong succulent na to is very similar sa Kalanchoe tomentosa panda plant. And here is a side-by-side comparison. So, makikita ninyo, diba, darker yung leaves nitong ating panda plant as compared dito nga sa ating fuzzy wuzzy succulent. And from here, talagang kitang-kita natin how long yung hair ng ating fuzzy wuzzy as compared dito nga sa ating panda plant. And before we talk more about the care guide ng ating fuzzy wuzzy succulent, let me share to you yung ibang Kalanchoe tomentosa sa ating collection. When growing this succulent, it's important na we will be providing sufficient sunlight sa kanya. Although, hindi naman siya kailangang naka-full sun kasi originally talagang nakalagay lang siya doon sa ating succulent table na filtered yung kanyang sunlight, and it's completely growing well doon. But under full sunlight, the more we can appreciate yung kanyang natural color, especially yung mga brown spots sa leaf margins and tips ng kanyang leaves. In terms of its watering requirements, we have to water it thoroughly pag nag-dry na nga yung kanyang leaves. And ayan, makikita ninyo, ganyan ang itsura ng dried leaves na fuzzy wuzzy. And since super dry na nga yung kanyang potting mix today, we have to water it directly nga dito sa kanyang potting mix. So if your potting mix is well draining, ayan, like what we have here, kailangan natin siyang diligan siguro twice or thrice para we will make sure na hanggang doon sa pinakaloob na potting mix will be wet. Ayan, so it is also completely okay if we will be watering yung kanyang leaves directly. For its propagation, itong succulent na to is medyo slow grower na succulent, and hindi siya ganun kadalas mag-produce ng offsets dito nga sa kanyang pinaka-stem. Although, even if na ganun, madali namang i-propagate yung kanyang leaves. So, I have here an example. So, several months old na din itong ating leaf propagation. And I think, ayan, we have two heads dyan, or probably two stems pag lumaki na siya. And so, if you wanted to propagate the succulent, pwede nyo siyang i-leaf propagate kasi sobrang dali rin na tanggalin nung kanyang leaf sa pinaka-stem nitong ating fuzzy wuzzy mother plant. Grooming and maintaining itong succulent na to is very easy, and probably it's really one of those succulents na very low maintenance. So pag nahulog or nag-dry na nga yung leaves niya dito nga sa ating potting mix, then we just simply need to remove it. Ayan, so We can also clearly see if may mga pest dyan na gumagapang kasi stem-like nga yung succulent na ito. Ayan. So, from time to time, we have to apply systemic fungicide and insecticide sa kanya as a maintenance. But so far, ever since na nagkaroon ako nito and even may other Kalanchoe tomentosas, hindi sila talaga lapitin ng fungus and even pest. So that's all for today. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You may also visit our Facebook page at Desert Succulent PH.